Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here. And as you can see, we are in the standard photo view, so let's go to the more advanced settings about it. And we can do it by tapping on this button at the right corner here. And as you can see, here we are. And here we have the straighten, so this is our leveler. By tapping on this we can turn it on and turn it off also. This is how it works. So I'm going to keep turning it on to show you how it works. And as you can see, it generates us this line, and this is helpful when we want to keep our topic straight in photography. So this is how it works. And of course, when we want to turn it off again, we go again to this button here and tapping on this, and it disappears. So this is how it works. That's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.